to especially the staff. Shout out to our normal staff, like Morgan Fox, who's on the Hill lobbying, who I had the pleasure of working with this week with Cannabis Unity Week. Shout out to JM Padini, who they've been done an amazing job with Normal Live every Friday, bringing folks the latest news and what's going on. Of course, our deputy director of Normal, Paul Armentano, who has been the brainchild and who gives me these amazing articles, not just me, but the whole country. He posts them on normal.org for us to read. And I think that there's some amazing stuff still with the news I want to read today that gives us hope. Number one being, if we're talking about the empire and we're talking about the Sith and we're talking about drug use, analysis coming out of a journal, respiratory research, says that cigarette smoking, death sticks, pose a greater impact to airway health than cannabis. Cannabis smoking and tobacco smoking appear to have disparate impacts on lung health, according to the journal Respiratory Research. Investigators affiliated with University of California, Davis, assessed the impact of tobacco smoke and cannabis smoke on airway health by analyzing the subjects' exhaled breath condensate, their EBC. And they reported that cannabis consumers possess breath profiles similar to those of non-smokers. By contrast, tobacco smokers possess profiles with elevated levels of certain inflammatory biomarkers. The researchers quote, cigarettes upregulate these inflammatory fatty acids, but we didn't see that nearly as much with marijuana and marijuana products, said one of the study's authors. When we look at the signatures from marijuana smokers, they look closer to non-users and non-smokers than tobacco smokers. And that was a surprise to us. So University of California, man.
Where did they get that statistic, that truth.com statistic or whatever, that it's like a joint is like smoking 7 cigarettes? You remember that?
Yeah. I mean, I would say truth.com is not the truth. It seems to be full of shit, according to the science.
Almost like prohibitionists are full of shit.
Yeah. I've said it multiple times. We got the clips